Yo, what's up? What's going on, guys? Okay, so in this video, we're gonna talk about promoted listings. Over the last 30 days, right, I have over 114 orders and 4,900 in $4,900 in sales revenue, whatever you want to call it. I think it's this promoted listings. Okay, you got to understand that in order for you to like get traction, get traffic and stuff like this from Etsy, you have to have everything in place, what I've been showing you guys. So if you guys haven't watched the previous videos, go back and watch the previous videos. Everything is leading up to everything that I'm showing you guys is showing you guys the correct way and how to do Etsy. You guys will I'm showing you guys the fundamentals and understanding what I'm showing you guys and applying it to your business. Okay, so it's gonna make a difference. It will. I wouldn't be putting no beep out there if it wasn't working for me. So that's the good thing about it. Like, I'm showing you guys exactly, and I'll show you in my numbers in the computer the last 30 days for promoted listings, and you guys can see the traffic that I get, the clicks that I get, the orders that I get, and then the revenue the last 30 days. And it's pretty crazy. Right now it's slowed down in July. July is always the slowest month for me, but understanding that that's normal. That's normal. It happens every single year. July is really slow unless you hit like a trend like everybody's doing right now, Betsy Ross or whatever. And that's what I've been using as an example, because it's like I'm not doing. I used to chase trends a lot, but this year I decided to just go focus on evergreen. If you guys don't know what evergreen is basically just like the whale niche. You know what I mean? Just an all year round niche that sells. Yeah. Let's get into the computer. Going to the other room over there, and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean, kind of give it a breakdown, kind of give you guys a better understanding of what you should be doing when it comes to promoted listings. You guys got to understand that having everything in place, making your store look professional, mock-up, tags, and all this stuff makes a big difference. It's like promoted listings is like throwing the fuel on the fire, and like boom, here comes, you know what I mean? The fire gets bigger. It starts at night. So understanding that is very powerful. So let's get into the computer and we'll check it out. Let's go from there. Okay, so right here, guys, let me refresh this little bad boy for you. Let me show you what people won't show you. So for example, last 7 days, look at you can see right now it's slow. It's dead right now because of it's July. It's slow. Woohoo! Yippee! You know what I mean? That's normal. But let me show you the last 30 days. Okay, so last month was did really well for me. Now look at see. Okay, so so impressions 29,000, clicks 3,100, cost $466, orders 114, revenue almost 5,000, right? And that is freaking crazy. And here, let me load it up here in the corner for you too as well, so you guys can see what's going on. I loaded it right there. This right here, it's amazing. You guys can see how powerful this is. You guys get an understanding of what like this won't work if you guys don't have it in place how I've been showing you guys in the previous Etsy videos, like having a professional shop, making it look pretty, nice mock-up, good keywords, the tags, the titles, all that stuff. I could probably do another video on the titles, going over the titles a little bit more, so you guys can have a better understanding. But spending close to $500 in costs, to make revenue almost close to 5,000. Like, you guys do the math on that. What is that? 10? Like almost right? almost 10 times as much, right? And that is amazing. That's like that's crazy. And only way that works is by, like I said, exactly what I explained to you, what I've been explaining to you guys and making the content on. That's the only way this is going to work, and it's just going to keep on growing. As soon as we get closer to Q4, like I said, going to be doing some crazy numbers. People are going to ask, what do you have your bids at and stuff like that. That's something that you guys are going to have to figure out on your own. Okay, you guys can see my budget per day is no more than $20, right? What I recommend is starting off low and then building yourself up. I know people that have their bids at 25 cents, 26 cents, and they're inconsistent, like they're in profit. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? They're doing really good numbers. So what I recommend is starting low. Understand what I'm doing. You will get sales if you like. You don't have to run promoted listings to get sales. But once you start getting sales, then you can start running promoted listings to get sales. It's very important that you guys understand that. Make your shop look as professional as possible because it will convert more. If it converts more, you'll see that the ads will come in. I mean, the sales from the ads will come in. The organic reach sales will come in. Like if that makes so your organic search sales will come in, and then like the ad sales will come in from running promoted listings. So understanding that is very powerful. Then also too, like once you start having like consistent sales, Etsy will actually promote your listings on Google Shopping, and you'll get sales from there too as well. So very, very powerful. Hope you guys understand what I'm talking about, and hopefully you guys are win. Like, you know what I mean? This helps. These videos help you because I want you guys to win. I want you guys to succeed. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe, guys. Peace out.